that the NPN has acceded to power by fouling the electoral process. We have seen that in fouling the process, the NPN was not alone. Indeed, by itself alone, there was very little the NPN could do which would have made any noticeable impact. But the FEDECO and practically all the organs of government were involved in the foul game. It stands to reason that having fouled the game once to advantage and with impunity, the NPN will want to try it again to perpetuate itself in office as its national anthem, to tamper, let alone foul the electoral process to the prejudice of other contending parties. It is imperative that we should tackle and involve solutions for and widespread rigging of election in 1965 are today among those who are equally prominent in the leadership of the NPN and in the rigging of the last election. We are all witnesses to the dire and tragic consequences of the fraudulent acts of 1965, including the long, painful, and distressing abeyance of democracy and the rule of law.
Indeed,